What's going on, everybody? A lot of you guys have been asking for ERAY updates. We got so many calls, so many emails, so many messages, seeing where the car's been at. It's behind us. It looks very different from the last time you guys have seen it. We've done so many changes on it, but not the power plant. Sorry to spoil that at the beginning. We have lots of changes, but it looks really wicked, and I feel like we've made a lot of changes enough that we can go faster. We're back at Texas Motorplex today. It's a little cooler than last time. We haven't been to the track in about 8 weeks, I would say, about 2 months. It's been really hot summer in Texas. You know, it's the usual here, but it's fall. It's 80 degrees. It's 10 p.m. at night. We're taking advantage of it. We got a track rental right here with about 10 cars. Let's look at this car behind us. The ERAY has gone a complete makeover. So we got a carbon fiber hood that we got put on it. This is gonna be available on the site. It's really beautiful. This is the very first one available that we're testing out to make sure fitment is good and all that stuff. It's gonna be on the site once it's done. If you guys have our car getting built at BoostDistrict, you can get this hood, or we can also ship it to you if you'd like. Sticker, 5 horsepower right there. You gotta get that. Windshield banner. We used to run lots of windshield banners when we were in SoCal. People love that. Now we got a new design with a new logo that we've been running for the last couple of years. The new generation BoostDistrict is now available also on the site as a windshield banner. Fits well, and also comes in 2 pieces here. So there's gonna be the black, satin black background with the BoostDistrict print on it. Fuego, perfect. Let's talk about the loudest thing in the room, the wheels. We got some custom wheels made for this car. It runs on drag radials on all 4 corners now. This is 19" by 13 on the back. 19 by 13, running a Mickey Thompson drag radials. And on the front, look at that concave, Sam. Bombing, looks awesome. So that is running also on a 20 by 11 with a 888R on the front. I love the way this car sits and it looks really good. Let's go back to the back here. Engine bay, engine is the same exact BD1000 ERAY. This car makes 1,030 wheel, 870 rear wheel horsepower, and the 160 front. Made 1,030 wheel on Bailey's dyno, all-wheel drive, and we've been running really good with it. Car has ran 9.5 at 151 in the previous videos. If you guys have been following this car, I hope to go a little faster with that tonight, with those stickers obviously in the wheels and tires. Lastly, we got the engine cover has been painted purple. I love purple. My Stingray, if you guys know, has a lot of purple accents on it, like the wheel calipers and whatnot. I really want to transfer that with that car. I feel like the black with the purple looks good. And these wheels, we're gonna do a lot of cinematics on this setup and show you guys how beautiful this car is. So that's all the changes we made. Also, lastly on this aesthetics, right? The car, all of our builds feature a badge now. So whether you get a BD550, which is just the cam only, the 600, which is the heads cam, 720, 850, 1000, and also the ERAY, which is going to be the BD1200, which is this is going to be soon. You're going to get a badge on all your builds. Obviously, you can opt not to, but if you like it, which 99.9% people would like that. So let's get into the car. Let's see if the changes that we've made will make us go faster. I really feel positive and feel like it's gonna do some wonders today. 1,030 wheel. Let's see how down the track and let's roll. Real quick, I want to make special shout outs to people. First, today is my anniversary. I've been married 3 years today, and I really wanted to be home, but this track rental also was canceled from last week to this week. My wife, really appreciate you and I love you. Thank you so much for letting me play and work so we can have a good life and pursue our dreams, right? Christian, this ain't Preux. Thank you for tuning this car. Trifecta, Vince, thank you for always giving us a proper software to run these cars hard with all the parameters that we have to work with. We might be underdogs on the tuning side of things, but you guys are showing on how great the software is and how it can kick butt and take records. This car will be the fastest C8 soon, once we're done with it. And we also have big updates coming on the Stingray. So these cars are OEM ECUs. We're not using any piggybacks at all. So that's very impressive. The fastest C8 right now, which is the Stingray ATS car, runs on a Motec and a lot of other goodies that they have on that. We're gonna be going for that record with the ERAY and the Stingray soon, both on stock ECUs. Let's go race.
See what the time slip is.
Yeah.
What was it?
938.
What was it?
938.
938. Alright, we better get Rashawn's reaction. I don't think he knows what the time is yet. Pulling into the next to the trailer right now. You don't know what the time is yet, dude? 938.
No way.
What?
No. What did it run?
938.
Yeah, okay.
It did.
I know you're trolling me.
No, I'm not. That's what it did.
I want to see the slip. I feel like I've been punked before.
No.
And I don't really know what to say, Sam.
938, right? He doesn't believe me.
Did it really go that fast?
That's the fastest we need, man.
No way! We're going home. First pass out, we're going home. That's it. Alright, end the video. See you guys next time. I'm just kidding.
My job's done here.
It's still 148. You got 1 mile
Hey,
an hour left.
we launched hard and it stayed hard. But I saw some hiccups on it that I think we can do better. I'm gonna send Christian the log right now. So. Alright, we've checked the data. Christian has made some changes. I think we're gonna be good here. We made a little bit of changes. I'm very tired. Second pass of the day. Guys are rocking it, making a lot of changes to the car. Also, we cooled it down, we iced it down. Hoping for the best. So let's get at it.
Yeah.
time?
I don't know. I feel like I got punked the first time. I feel like you're punking me again. I don't know if we went slower, we went faster. What do we do?
I did it. It's the same pace.
938 again?
938 at 148. It's the same exact pace.
Yep, 938 at 148. At least the car is consistent. And we went 1.45 on the 60 foot, 1.46.
Went faster in the 8.
Yeah.
It definitely launched harder.
Yeah, it definitely felt like it almost wanted to wheelie. We got to fix for that.
Alright, we have a newfound discovery after the second pass. Rosh was just almost out of a 360 camera.
That's wild.
That is a testament of how fast the E-Ray is.
Dude, that's awesome.
All right, now we're at pass number 3. Since pass number 1 and pass number 2 were pretty much identical, we actually went a little faster in pass number 2. We went 5,000ths of a second quicker. We're just gonna have a little bit more fun now. It's a little cooler. Christian wants to play a little bit in the tune on the launch of it. We have so much parameters on these cars that Christian messes with himself. He doesn't tune anything with conventionally, as far as like the upper like most people would just plugging numbers in and or whatever. He actually does his own tuning software with Trifecta, that he has a lot more capability on what he can do. So with these cars, there's a lot of parameters on the launch control settings and a lot of different settings that he has access to. So we're gonna go mess with it. We're gonna have some fun. It's gonna be wicked. We don't know if it's gonna be wickedly fast and cool or if it's gonna be wicked destruction. Let's find out. I'm willing to try it because this motor is in its last track day. I just hope we don't break anything else. Trans and clutch and all that stuff, I need that thing to live. But the motor itself, it's gonna be set in our museum as a test stand on the world's fastest E-Ray with a stock cam, so I'm willing to let it rip. So let's go get at it. Well guys, after 3 full good passes of learning and just having fun, we loaded a pretty aggressive tune on it just now, but the track got oiled down. It's 1:30 in the morning. I'm tired, gonna go home. I don't want to keep them up just to make a number. Christian is also heading to bed, so we're done for the day. I just want to say something here real quick. First pass out, we went 9.389. Second pass out, we went 9.388. World record, world record. Third pass out, we went 9.384. World record. It is the fastest E-Ray in the world. We still own that record, and we just extended that by 0.2 of a second. This car has It's insane. It's awesome. I love it. It's gone from a very stock car that we've owned to now a very wild race car that we still drive everywhere. We just drove this thing to Philly a couple weeks ago when we were at Carlisle. That's 2.5 hours each way. It's a very big testament of what the skills and talents can do with the right partners and the right parts. We really appreciate everybody that works with us on this. Stock camshaft, stock heads, stock DOD lifters, stock catalytic converter. It's awesome. It does have forged pistons, but it still has forged rods, or it still has stock rods. So I think that's impressive to me. It's impressive to a lot of people. And you can get this exact same setup built at BoostDistrict.com. This is our BD1000 twin turbo package for the ERAY, and we also have a BD1200 available for the ERAY, and we also have the 870. So that's the 870 is basically the BD720, and that's really cool setup. So we're gonna end it right here. We really want to thank everybody at Texas Motorplex. We want to thank my wife for letting me do this on our anniversary night. I feel really guilty, but I appreciate her for being supportive. Thank Christian and also Vince at Trevecta. So there's a lot of people that makes this possible for us. All of the employees that we have at BoostDistrict, all of you guys that are watching this and giving us support. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Give us some praise, not praise. Give us some love. We don't want to be praised, but we just want to feel the love from everybody that watches these videos, and we want to hear from you guys. We want to see what your thoughts, what questions you guys have. We'll end it right here. We'll see you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe. Thank you.